In this video, we will be installing the LatchXtend RV door handle. These are the tools needed for this procedure. First, secure the door to keep it from moving. Then remove the screws attaching the door latch to the door. Next, remove the screws attaching the latch plate to the door. Then remove the old door latch and latch plate. Make sure to clean out the inside and around the bore. Then, align the opening of the top bore with the top of the template. Then insert the guide tray into the template and bore. Press the template down on the face of the door, ensuring that the template lays flat. Before marking your holes, we suggest using a tape measure to ensure the template is square to the edge of the door. If needed, use painter's tape or something similar to hold the template in place. Then, mark the two center points of the new bore holes. Then, remove the template and the guide tray. After that, drill out two 1 1/8 inch bores at the marked locations. After that, lay out the entry door extended bar latch assembly onto a table. Remove the two screws attaching the anchor plate to the back of the extend bar. Then take your handle assembly and insert it into the top original bore and the new bottom bores. Next, replace the latch plate and hand tighten fastener screws back to the original place. You can now install the back plate of the anchor plate assembly. Hand tighten to bring the front and the back assemblies together. Next, install the locking mechanism in the original bore. Make sure to turn the locking mechanism so the bolt knob slides over the D-stem. Test the deadbolt for operation and leave in the locked position. Then loosely install screws securing locking mechanism in place. Make sure the front and the back, top and bottom assemblies meet together completely and seal around the bores of the door. Next, tighten the hardware on the back side of the locking mechanism in an X pattern. Then tighten the hardware on the back side of the anchor plate. Then tighten hardware on the latch plate. Finally, test operation to make sure there is no visible gaps around the bore and the top or the bottom of the door handle on the inside or outside of the door.